you did today? What? Okay, come.
My papa will come. I'll go shopping.
Where you will go?
You, mama, my papa, me, you,
Who is your mama?
Mama.
Who is your mama?
you,
Then why you are saying again mama? Come.
mama.
No, later shopping, okay? Not now. Not now. Go. Let's go. Fast. Go, go, go. Move it.
Listen to me.
Next time.
No!
Evening time, okay?
No!
Evening is the shopping time. See?
No!
Sun.
No!
Look at sun. Look at sun. How bad sun. It's too bad. Come. It's not good going this time, okay?